Yes, we're live. Finally. Finally. Yeah, great. I can just unplug this. I just wanted to see if this laptop is going to be dock worthy. Well, we shall see. Stream Elements bot is running. Interesting. How's the HP Victus? What a machine, what a machine. I've had this laptop for a bit of a week now. Perfect. Like, as you can see, I'm streaming at 1080p 60. I'm streaming on Wi-Fi. Let's begin there. And it's still hitting all the right stuff. I just want to first of all try and test some few things here. First things first, games. I don't know why games are always the first thing to test in most machines. But I just decided let's test this out on live streaming first before we move on to any bigger fish. Let's see. Send the code. I need to log into my freaking EA account so that we can test Apex Legends for this. I think this is... Oh no, my 54860454860. I need to charge my phone. Oh no. Where's the brick? I'm living on the edge. I can't even imagine. 1%. Great. So Apex is here. Most Wanted is here as well. I think we'll just try Apex for now. Really wanted to get it. Yeah, man, go for it. Go for it, definitely. This is a beast of a machine. Let's see how well it runs. Let's see if we get any dropped frames while streaming. It's actually started, but I haven't set it to capture on this other screen. So I think first things first, I'll have to set it on this other screen and then we see. So settings. Oh, and there it is. It started making the fans have started kicking in. Video, I don't know how to do. Okay, so I've dragged it this side. Then I can do borderless window and apply. Oh, okay, well, it's decided no. No is the answer. How do you change the screen? I can't seem to like get this screen to change. Is it 3 GB VRAM? Yes it is. Yes it is. Let's try this out. Such a specific window. The window is Apex. Okay. Boom. So yeah, this game runs smooth. Let's just go and test it out in the firing range. I'm sure we are running at 80 milliseconds of ping. I can't change it to this screen, so this is a big problem. Maybe now change it. If I have to change it, I'll change like this to be the main. But look at this. What do you think? What do you guys think? I'm not dropping frames whatsoever. I've capped it at 60 FPS, 1080p. Of course, because my refresh rate is at 60 Hz, so there's no need of setting it much further than that. Yeah, and the thing I love about this is that I can be able to control like so many of the functionalities here. I'm actually playing off of the what's this? The screen for the capture on OBS. I'm not even looking at the main screen here. So it goes to show you it's quite seamless when it comes to the quality. I'm a controller guy, so don't judge me when it comes to movement. I can actually try this out. And I'm using the OBS capture, so I actually don't know how this looks on your end. Death. Well, I actually want to see how that fares on stream. Like this fact that I'm able to stream. First of all, the bitrate. If I could be able to just show you for a second. The bitrate, move this aside, is 10,000 kilobytes per second. I'm using Wi-Fi. I'm dead serious, using Wi-Fi. Dead serious. I'm not connected to LAN. I'm using Wi-Fi. It's insane. The Wi-Fi card on this thing has just been beefed up. I think it's using. Okay, I don't even know which one it's using, but. So it's just an excellent laptop. When it comes to coding performances, it also like just beats everything. Video playback as well, rendering of videos and stuff. Like this, if this stream is that OP, then I should be able to. And I'm only using 8 gigs of RAM. Like it's. I only have 8 GB RAM. Like, let's just look at the specs for now. So you can see this, the CPU. The thing that's using the most CPU is just the general system. Even OBS is not using that much CPU. And then if we go to the GPU side of things, if I could add GPU here, look at that, 45%. Yeah, because it's using the freaking, what's this thing called? It's using the what's this other side chip? What's it called again? The NVENC to actually run the encoding, which doesn't take much GPU. Amazing technology stuff, and I really appreciate such technology. So now if we're looking at the performance tab, you can see this is an i5-12500H. This is a 12 core, which if you break it down, it has 4 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, and then 16 threads. So I have virtualization enabled, of course. Look at this. This is Wi-Fi. Look at the throughput. 26 megabytes per second can cap till there, but then you have this hitting at 17 on a constant. Sometimes this is where it's going to play around with. So between 8 and 12, definitely just to keep the stream alive. And I think, of course, even while streaming, we can still game efficiently. You look at the GPU, then there's video encode. So this is where most of the power is coming through, and then there's the memory usage. Definitely a very powerful laptop. And then, of course, it has Iris graphics in the background as well, which are not being touched whatsoever. Yeah, so there's always that backup of CPU power and GPU power that can be utilized for other processes. So the only thing that I need to upgrade is probably now the memory, the RAM, which is 8 GB right now. The laptop is upgradable. All the modules can be replaced. So you can replace the 8 GB module. It has one 8 GB module with like 32 GB modules on either side. It has 2 slots, so you can put 32 and get a maximum of 64, and that's exactly what I intend to do with this. I also have an additional NVMe slot that is not being used at the moment, and I will probably put a 2 terabyte NVMe slot on that. And now, since we know that this machine is a powerhouse, we can actually get a dock for it. So probably those are the 3 next purchases that I will be having. This was meant to be a short stream. We'll come back and do some live coding, of course, with the same PC. And yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So from my end, that is all for now. We shall come back and do some live coding. Chris, thank you so much for tuning in. This was a live stream meant to be a YouTube video. Just there, I didn't expect anybody to join in, but yeah, cheers for joining in, man. Of course, this will definitely make you or have you make a decision for what's the next move forward. Video playback. What can we say? I mean, if games are working, why are we even testing video playback? Let's just leave it at that. So yeah, that will be all. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to Tech Chest, for seeing this review of the Victus 15 by HP, the 2022 model. Very powerful PC, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and God bless.